Hey YouTube, so this is my next project. I'm putting down new landscaping edging. I'm using these faux bricks, these plastic bricks. Why am I doing it? Because if you see this was my old edging. It never stays in. It keeps getting knocked out. The landscaper next door is always pulling it out, so it just doesn't stay. So I needed another solution. So let me show you. I started over here already. So I took out that piece there and I put this in down here, and I actually think it looks pretty good. So these things, you literally just take them. They have a imitation piece of grout that snaps in there, and you have these spikes, and you just take them, you put them, and you spike them down. I'm going to go all along here and put it on, and we'll see what it looks like. So I'm going to show you so far. I'm making pretty good progress. This is going fast. Let me just show you one. Basically, I got one here like this. I don't know if I can do this one-handed because this needs to clip in to here. I'm actually gonna need my second hand, but you just clip it in and then you push it down and then you move on to the next one. Okay, so here's the final result. I think it came out pretty good. I think it really looks nice. It looks like real brick. Went down very easy and looks much better than what I had before. So this is pretty easy. Anyway, if you like this video, please check out some of my other ones. Give me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.